In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Signal app on Android. We'll cover the recommended method using the Google Play Store, as well as an official alternative from Signal's website if the Play Store isn't available on your device. Signal is a free messaging app known for strong end-to-end encryption, which means only you and the person you're chatting with can read your messages, no one else in the middle. Let's start with the easiest and most reliable option. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top and type Signal Private Messenger. In the results, look for Signal Private Messenger. A quick tip to make sure you've got the right one. Check that the publisher is the Signal Foundation and look for the familiar blue speech bubble icon. Once you see it, tap Install. The download time will vary depending on your internet speed, so give it a moment. If you're on mobile data, consider switching to Wi-Fi to save data and speed up the process. When the installation completes, tap Open to launch the app. This Play Store method is recommended because it's simple, secure, and it keeps Signal updated automatically in the background. If you don't have access to Google Play or the app isn't listed for your device, there's an official alternative. Open your browser and go to signal.org Android. This is Signal's own website, and using it ensures you're getting the authentic app directly from the source. From there, follow the instructions provided on the site to get Signal onto your device. Sticking to the official website helps you avoid risky third-party downloads and keeps your phone more secure. Before you begin, it's helpful to make sure you have a bit of free storage space and a stable internet connection. If Signal doesn't appear in the Play Store, it could be due to regional availability or device compatibility, which is exactly when the website method comes in handy. And if you later gain access to the Play Store, installing Signal from there will make future updates automatic and effortless. To recap, the recommended route is the Google Play Store. Search for Signal Private Messenger, select Signal. Private Messenger, tap Install, wait for the download to finish, and then tap Open. If that's not an option, visit signal.org/Android in your browser and use the official download provided there. With Signal on your phone, you'll be set to message with strong end-to-end encryption and privacy by default. Let's get you started.